Most people think building multiple income streams means working more hours, more side hustles, more pressure, more exhaustion. But what if that belief is exactly what keeps people financially stuck? Because building multiple income streams is not about doing more. It's about designing smarter. Stay with me until the end, because the final shift I'll explain is what separates overwhelmed earners from structured wealth builders. Let's start with a hard truth. Most people are trapped in a single income dependency. One paycheck, one employer, one source. And when that source feels unstable, fear increases. So naturally, people react. They try to add another job, another gig, another short-term opportunity. But reaction is not strategy. And strategy is what builds stability. There are two types of income: active income and leveraged income. Active income requires your constant involvement. Leveraged income uses systems, ownership, or scalability to reduce time dependency. The mistake most people make is stacking active income streams. 2 jobs, 3 gigs, no structure. That increases stress, but does not increase freedom. The smarter approach is progressive layering. Layer 1, core stability. Your primary income must be strong enough to support basic expenses and savings. Without this, every investment decision feels risky. Stability gives you clarity. Layer 2, long-term growth. This usually includes diversified investments that may grow over time. These are not designed for quick returns. They are designed for participation in long-term economic growth. Layer 3, scalable asset. This is where many people rush and fail. A scalable asset might be a content platform, a digital product, a skill-based service that can expand beyond hourly work, ownership in a business. The key question is, can this grow without requiring equal growth in my time? If every dollar requires another hour, it is still time-bound. Scalable income grows through systems. Now let's talk about pace. One of the biggest causes of burnout is trying to build everything at once. Multiple income streams are built sequentially, not simultaneously. First, stabilize. Second, automate. Third, expand. That order matters. Because without automation, expansion multiplies stress. Another important factor is focus. Focus builds momentum. Momentum builds results. Jumping between ideas destroys momentum. It is better to build one structured stream to moderate strength than 5 streams to weakness. Now here's something rarely discussed. Multiple income streams are not just financial protection. They are psychological protection. When your identity is tied to one job, stress increases. But when you have layered income, your decisions become calmer. You negotiate differently. You plan differently. You think long-term. And long-term thinking changes behavior. Now let's address expectations. Building additional income streams takes time. There may be months where results feel slow, but systems built slowly are often stronger. And strength is what creates durability. Financial durability is more powerful than temporary spikes. Now ask yourself, are you building income or are you building income systems? That one question can reshape your strategy. Income pays bills. Systems build flexibility. And flexibility creates options. Options create freedom. To recap clearly, do not rush. Do not stack stress. Stabilize your base. Build scalable assets intentionally. Layer carefully. Reinvest strategically. And remember, the goal is not to impress people with how busy you are. The goal is to quietly design a structure that works for you over time. This content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always conduct your own research before making financial decisions. If you want to continue learning how to build structured income systems and long-term assets, consider subscribing for more insights.